Hi everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we will talk about how to use wildcard characters in SQL. So what is a wildcard character? So wildcard characters are used for pattern matching. Is used for pattern matching. And two most used wildcard characters in SQL are one is percentage and other is underscore. So this is underscore. Never confuse with underscore and dash. Always remember that this is a underscore. Okay. So percentage is used for matching zero or more characters. It is used for to match zero or more characters. Okay. For example, if you write BL percent, then it will be valid for all the patterns like every word which start with BL and any number of characters can be in the place of percentage can be come like blue or black or blunder. Any number of characters can be come in the place of percentage. Another example, if you take a percent k, then in the place of percentage any number of characters can come and it starts with a and end with k. So it start with a and end with k, and here any number of characters can come. Okay, hope you have understood. Next is underscore. So underscore is used for single character matching. Is used to match single characters. Okay, so if you take example, let's say any words which start with a and has at least length of 3, so this will come like abc, abz. So in the place of 2 underscore any character can come, but here this represents only a single character. So now we will see these examples practically in the SQL workbench. Okay, now if we fire this query to see what's inside our data. So this is the table we had created earlier. So this ID, first name, last name, salary, and date of birth. Okay. So the first question is search for pattern in which the first name starting with A. So for this, we will always use the wildcard characters with like operator. So how we will use? So the syntax is select, then you will provide the column names, column 1, column 2, etc. From, then you will pass your table name, and after that with the help of where clause, because this is also a filtering process, so with the help of where clause, after where we will write like, and inside the quote we will pass the pattern for which we are searching. Okay, so this is the syntax for using the wildcard characters. Okay, so now we will solve this question. First name starting with A. So what we will write? Select, then let's say we are selecting all the columns. Select all columns from employee table. Then we will pass the where clause, and with the help of like keywords we will pass now the pattern. So it is saying that the first name start with A. So we will pass A, and after that percent. That means after A any number of character can come, but it must always start with A. Okay, so where, okay, after that for which column you are searching? So here for the first name, here first name like A percent. So here in the syntax we also have to correct this, where then after here you will pass the column name. Okay, so now if we run this query, you can see that all the names, we have only one record in the only one name which start with A. Okay, so the next question is the first name ending with K. So to solve this question, we will copy this and we will make a slight change in this query. So here in the initial, any character can come, but it must end with A. Okay, so if we run this query, here you can see that there are three first name which are ending with K: Deepak, and Abhishek. All in all these first name, the characters ending with is K. Next question is date of birth in April. Okay, so if we select a star from employee, we fire this query. So here you can see that the for matching the date of birth, to match date of birth column, you how many characters are in the date of birth? If you count 1 2 3 4 for year, then a dash 5, and after that it is coming 04. So you have to match the date of birth column, and then here are 5 underscore. So if we count 1 2 3 4 and 5 underscore for y and a dash, then we will provide 04, and after that we can provide percentage, or we can also provide t underscore. Why? Because after the month you have three characters, so this is a fixed length. Uh, in every row, the date of birth, in date of birth column, there will be a fixed number of characters. So if we run this query, you can see that Pawan and John have the date of birth in month of April. Okay, so if we move to next question, in this question, last name with at least three characters. So we have to search for all the last name in which we have at least three characters. So we will do, we will paste the query, and instead of first name we will provide last name like and at least three characters. So for exact three characters, we will provide three underscore. So if we run this query, this will results only a single, that is it has exact three characters. But for at least three characters, we will have to give a percentage here. If we give a percentage here, you can see that this has at least three characters. This all these has at least three characters, and these are coming in the output. Okay, so the last question is the last name starting with K and ending with R. Okay, so it is starting with K. It is starting with K and ending with R. And what is it? It is for last name. So we will modify this last name starting with K. Then for percentage, any number of characters can come, and it is ending with R. If we run this query, you can see that Kumar, and in these three, it is starting with K and it is ending with R. So hope you have understood how to use these wildcard characters for pattern matching. These are very useful, and many times these are asked in interviews. So hope you have liked this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.